Is your localized video capture logic apps not working because of the bdcap32 Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist, and I'll help you re-register that library and end the crashes. Quickly resolve bdcap32 library inconsistencies with the official optimization software linked below. This is the bdcap32 library, a 32-bit localized broadcast driver architecture, BDA capture module. It manages the localized signal processing and device handshakes required for PC TV tuners and localized video capture hardware to stream data to the OS. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. bdcap32 acts as a vital connection for localized video capture logic operations, and downloading a fresh installer for the program, showing the error, is the only way to repair the damaged binaries found in the app folder. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing bdcap32 library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. Since a standard reinstall didn't fix the library error, we need to perform an integrity check on the host program. If you are using a launcher like Steam or Epic, use the Verify Integrity of Game Files tool. For standalone apps, manually delete the application folder in your local app data directory before reinstalling to ensure no corrupted files are locked in the cache. Why are we doing this? Well, standalone installers often skip files that are already present or locked. Using integrity tools or clearing the app data cache forces a byte-for-byte replacement of your DLL file. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. Avoid the trap of unofficial file repositories for bdcap32 Library DLL, as these platforms are frequently utilized to distribute persistent browser hijackers and unwanted adware. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. To ensure your system configuration matches its capabilities, the repair resource below provides informational guidance on bdcap32 library. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time you encounter bdcap32 library critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.